Hey everybody, just a quick update. Still November 6th. Let me show you the roof. Coming along really good. They got the tarp all set. They just got to put the screen, the netting back on. Tighten everything down. It's coming along pretty good. I'm not, like I said, I'm not concerned about the overhang here, as long as the living area is covered. Also, the refrigerator guy is here. He's trying to fix it. They were actually looking for the old part, and now nobody knows where it is. Another frustrating thing, because Jimmy's always moving my parts, my stuff. Now he doesn't know where he put it, if he put it somewhere. You find it?
And you have pictures, right? You take a picture?
Yeah?
Yeah, he wants to save. He just want to read it something.
Ah. Okay, wait. So they need to see some picture I have on my phone. So I'm going to cut this short. I'll let you know if the thing gets fixed or not. Right now he's still working on it, so we'll see. Make sure you like and subscribe. God bless everyone. Santa Claus, over and out.